Hey guys, as you can see, I just received unlimited gems in my game. Now, let me teach you step by step on how I got it. Go to queenmod.online. This is a new 2026 updated video. Just follow the steps as I am showing you right now. After this, just search your game and scroll down and find Get Gems button. Then, you will reach this page. Enter your username or user ID and input your desired gems amount. Press Get to get your gems. Restart your game and have fun. Sometimes the server might be busy and it will ask you for human verification, but that barely occurs. Have fun and enjoy. Have any question? Ask me and I will be there to help. Like this video and subscribe for more.